20 to 31, please.
Normal temperature.
One man and one woman, both experienced survivalists, have chosen to put their skills to the ultimate test. Their challenge is to survive for 21 days.
Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Yeah, so today is the day after 5 months in Thailand. We're finally
Leaving, going to Cambodia.
Well, not finally. I am feeling a bit emotional that we're leaving, but I'm so excited for a new country. We've been like waiting. No, like when we went to Thailand, we didn't think we'd stay so long.
No.
We were gonna go to like somewhere else after, but we were just waiting for like any place to open up, really.
Exactly that.
It's been a long time coming, but we've just been to 7-Eleven and bought our classic breakfast.
Coffees,
Matcha
sandwiches.
tea, latte and 2 toasties. How much did you pay for this?
174 baht.
Yeah,
Christmas
this
drink.
has been like our go-to breakfast. while we've been
Where
here.
when you don't want to spend too much.
Yeah.
Flight's in a few hours, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm so excited. I went to Cambodia in 2020 without Theo, so I really want to show it to him a little bit.
Yeah, I can imagine it's going to be like really dead, like Phuket even was when we arrived.
Yeah, when we went to Phuket in August, and it was so dead. And then we've seen this place like become more and more filled with tourists and just
It's busy in general,
Yeah.
which is really good for the Thai people.
yeah.
And it has been good. But yeah, I'm excited for Cambodia. We got our PCR results yesterday, our fit
Yeah.
to fly.
It was brutal, like always.
Squeeze your thumb.
But
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we'll link it in the description, but it was 2,000 baht per person.
yeah, and both of us got our results back.
Same
Not-
day?
Not detected.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm really a bit nervous to go to Cambodia. Just with the whole flying situation, I had quite a bad experience last time. But yeah, we're gonna go home and eat our breakfast, get packing, and then head to the airport.
See you there. Transition.
Okay.
Got enough baggage, eh?
Yeah.
So we are on our way to Dong Mueng
Don Muang
Airport.
We've just catched one flight in Thailand from Phuket to Chiang Mai, so it's been
Yeah.
a while, but don't love carrying around these backpacks, that's for sure.
But luckily it's only an hour flight as well.
Yeah, it's an hour. We booked 1 week in Phnom Penh when we arrive. We only need to do an antigen test when we arrive in Phnom Penh. So there's no quarantine, so yeah, should be fine, I hope. We just realized we're at domestic, it's wrong. We literally stood and looked at the board for a little while. We're like, where is our flight? It's bloody domestic.
Classic us.
Yeah. The thing is, I'm like really scared of
โปรด
flying.
ทราบเพื่อให้เป็นไปตามข้อกำหนดของปริมาณที่กำหนดขอบคุณค่ะ Attention please
Yeah. We're not entirely sure where to go.
Well, our check-in desk is here, but the airport is...
Are you sure it's there?
yeah.
How do you know?
This is Air Asia and their check-in desk.
You're just making them. I forgot to buy check-in luggage, so I hope they will let me do it.
I'm sure they will. But yeah, the airport is crazy quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, international area, dead. I'll show you, like, it's so dead here.
Hello. Hang on, let's actually think about what I want to say. Hey, welcome back. This is Theo and Julia's channel.
We are the first two people to be let into Cambodia.
We're not. But if you're interested to see how we've done it, follow us today.
This way! Okay, it's not off to a very good start. We've just had an argument about intros for the vlog.
Can you please get the camera out of my face? Otherwise I'm not going to record the rest of the day. Walk and talk. We're back.
We didn't film any of that because Phil was angry and then I got angry.
It's a stressful situation travelling all the time, like...
It is. We've just had a McDonald's and trying to spend our last Thai bahts.
Yeah, so we're not carrying it around like some
But now
chumps.
it feels weird that we have like literally nobody on us at all. I hope they will take part everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. We're through. One recommendation I would say for travelling to Cambodia with your visa and everything like that, print it off.
Please, row 20 to 31, please.
Normal temperature.
We're getting the bus back to Europe. I think that was quite quick.
It was quite quick.
Oh my god, it's my bag! My double! Oh my god, I almost lost fucking double. Why is it there? Someone took your bag, Phil. And we're here.
We made it, Cambodia.
Landed, yeah. The process when you land is so easy, I think.
Yeah, it is. It took a little while in the queue, but once you actually get to the front of the queue, it's you're straight
Super
through.
easy. Come on. Yeah, and you do not. You need an antigen test on arrival. That's what it said online. But no one said anything about it.
No.
Maybe you just do your antigen test on your own accord, or.
Oh, that's the point. Oh, no, good idea.
Oh no, we thought we were through.
Yeah.
How was the test?
That's the most brutal one I've ever done. They pushed it so far back. I spat everywhere. Like, it was horrible.
It was so good. And yeah, now we just gotta wait here.
Yeah, we thought we were through after the last video, but we realised we had the test to go. Yeah, so basically, after you've had the test, you just have to go into this little waiting room next to where you do the test, and you just wait out until you get your results, I think.
Yeah, one by one.
Yeah.
They go in.
So you have to fill out these arrival type cards, I suppose, they hand out to you on the flight. And then, obviously, you need your e-visa, they check. And then your COVID vaccination, obviously, and your vaccination card even.
Okay, we're in this weird little waiting area, and your name gets called when you're free to go. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Yeah.
Imagine if I test positive now.
That would be the worst.
And I'm really hangry. I don't know how I would handle it.
Yeah, but it's been here just over an hour, I'd say, in the airport, queuing and getting through.
Let's check back when we're through.
Yeah.
If we get through it.
And your husband is
Yes, my husband.
okay. Passport.
Okay, we made it through. Just getting our SIM cards here, first things first. I've heard the best one to get is Smart. I don't know if it's true or not, we'll see how it works. It cost $15 for a month for like unlimited data. I think it's quite decent.
Benjamin Franklin.
It's so strange, right?
Yeah, so weird.
Right. It's rolling away.
There we go.
It was literally rolling away.
Just keep there, it's okay. Stop. I'm locked down.
Yeah.
I don't have any turn, you know.
No,
So
of course.
make my friend month. I'm very shy and stop study. And when I'm 18 years old, I passed the examination to the city.
What have you got here?
I've just ordered fried rice with vegetables. The thing is, check this. The funniest thing about Cambodia is the currency situation. At the airport I got out $100 and then I paid $5 for the taxi and he gave me like, these are my dollars that I took out and he gave me the change in their local currency, so now I have like $1 million Khmer and some dollars, and literally that's how it works in Cambodia. You can pay with both, and it's so confusing because I'm like, how much is this then? Because I gave you $5, I should get $5 back, but now I don't know.